Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of slope as unit rate. This is standard 8.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 20 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a bottle. It's got 30 fluid ounces of orange juice, 18 fluid ounces of pineapple juice. So we need this the slope here to represent this ratio. All right. So it looks like our orange juice here. All right. So OJ is going to be on our y-axis. So OJ over, and then the pineapple is going to be on our x-axis. All right, so always want to make sure you know where your x and your y is going to be. So remember, when we're dealing with slope, it is rise over run. Right, that's the change in y over the change in x. That's why I put the y on top. Really, we're just going to take two y coordinates, subtract them. And we're going to take two x coordinates in our denominator and subtract them. And in this case, they gave us 30 over 18. That's what we're starting with as our ratio. 30 OJ to 18 pineapple. So let's just divide that, right? Let's just see what happens when we go 18 and 30. 18 goes into 30 once, and that's going to be 12. Let's see, bring that 0. So 120. So 18, I think it's going to be 5. 18 times 5, because 8 times 5 is 40. And that's going to be 50, that's going to be 90. All right, so I can do a little bit more than that. 90, I can get an extra 30. So I'm going to call that 6 now. That's what we've got to estimate there. So that's going to be 108. That's 12. Oh, look. Doing it again. All right, so it's 1.6 repeating, so it's going to be about 1 2/3 technically. 1 2/3. That's your ratio, or you can just go 5 over thirds, right? 5/3. I guess we could have just divided both of those by 6. We could have gotten that a lot easier. 5/3. All right. Well, now that we see it, it is definitely going to be 5/3. So we are looking at that ratio of, for every 3 pineapple, right? Let me write this again down here. For every 3 pineapple, I have got 5 orange juice. All right, so let's just see, since it is proportional here, it means we're going through the origin. All right, so let's see what happens when I get on my 3 pineapple. When I get my 3 pineapple, which is right there, looks like I'm getting about maybe 2, right? About 2 orange juice. That's not looking very good. In F, if I get 3 pineapple, okay, that could possibly work. G right there, like that could be 5. Scale's different. What if we did this? 3 pineapple. Ooh, no. 3 pineapple gets me, that's 9 or 10 orange juice. That's not going to work. And then 3 pineapple gets me pretty close to 4 right there. So G is looking pretty good. Let's see if we can, there we go. All right. So we have got this point right here. Let's see, 8, 10. This is going to be 12, right? So this is going to be 12, 20, right? And so if I were just to calculate the slope, I would put the change in y. I'm going to use that in the origin. 20 over 0, the x, 12 minus 0. So that's just 20 over 12. And if I divide that by 4, oh, guess what I get? 5 over 3. That's exactly what I was looking for. So G is going to be correct.